What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to give you 5 different tips on how to be successful from Will Smith himself. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
If you are new here, consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you turn on post notifications and you won't miss a thing. Next thing I want you to do is to smash that like button or that dislike button if you hate me. It really helps the channel grow, so appreciate that. Thank you so much. So let's jump right into the video. Tip number 1 is to work on your skills. Obviously, whatever you want to accomplish in life, you got to work at. You got to put in the time, you got to put in the effort. So whatever skills that you're going to need in order to do what you want to do, you got to work on it. So if it's acting, take acting classes. Practice on your monologues in the mirror. Record yourself in front of a camera and break down where you messed up, what you're doing wrong, what you could do better. If it's basketball, obviously you're going to get out there, put up 1,000 shots a day. I remember back, I want to say 2007, 8, I don't even remember, but if you guys remember Agent Zero, Gilbert Arenas, he had a goal over the summer to put up 100,000 shots. It was just amazing. It was just awesome to see someone that dedicated work on their craft. That's the type of dedication you have to have, so definitely work on your skills and work on improving. The second tip from Will Smith on how to be successful is to have a strong why, and I believe that this is so important. You need to have a good reason why you're doing what you're doing. Is it to support your family? Is it to become the best version of yourself? Is it to make the world a better place? Your why has to be specific to you, and oftentimes some of the biggest personal development gurus say your why needs to make you cry. My why is helping millions of people in the world through these videos become better, to help them with confidence, to help them with personal development, to let them know there's someone out there rooting for them and that they don't have to be limited by the beliefs that were set inside their brain by other people. This is why it's easier to communicate with the younger generation, because they have an open mind, they're not set in their ways. Not to say that, the older generation can't banish their old beliefs. It's just a lot harder to deroot those seeds that have been planted so long ago. I know that my personal development journey started when I was 15 years old. I went to a leadership conference, and that really just opened my eyes in order to the power of positive thinking and personal development in general. So your why needs to make you cry, guys. Why cry, guy, sigh, my... Yeah. So tip number 3 from Will Smith is to focus on the people. If you help people, people will help you. So you get what you give. If you're going out there trying to make the world a better place, trying to help other people, trying to bring as much value to other people as you can, you will be all right. The rest will take care of itself. I remember hearing that. A mentor of mine once said, Sean, just take care of the people and the rest will handle itself. And sure enough, I bought in and it did. The people make you, all right? You guys, you viewers, you members of this channel make me what I am and who I am. You're the reason I do what I do. And that goes for not only, content creators like myself, but it goes for like an owner of a company. If you focus on the customer, you're gonna win. If you focus on your employees and enriching their lives, you're gonna win. So you just gotta focus on others. So that's tip number 3, guys, focus on the people. So tip 4, guys, is to put positive energy out into the world. Like I just said, you get what you give. If you radiate positive energy, you're gonna get positive energy back into your life. Whatever vibration you're on, you're gonna send those signals out into the universe and it's gonna come back to you tenfold. So make sure you're putting out positive energy. Say your positive affirmations in the morning. Write down positive things. If a negative thought comes into your mind, immediately replace it with a positive one. That's something that I've trained myself to do. For example, I'll wake up on the wrong side of the bed and I'll say, oh great, it's gonna be a terrible day. And immediately I've trained myself to say, no, it was a great day. I had a wonderful day. Everything went smoothly and how I planned it. So immediately try to replace your negative thought with a positive one and you'll see wonders work for you. So number 4, guys, is to put positive energy out and you will receive positive energy back. And 5th and final tip, guys, from Will Smith himself is to remember that where you are is not where you're going to be. So just know that your current situation is not your final destination. You can always improve your situation. You just have to do the 4 other tips in order to get to that destination. But guys, life is a journey. That is what it's about. It's about the trials and tribulations in getting to that destination. It's not the destination itself, because what happens when you get to the destination? You plan a new course to another destination. It's just like leveling up in life, guys. Once you get to the point of where you thought you wanted to be, the defrost comes on in your mind, the blinds are open up in front of you. Just remember, if you're in a dark place right now, it's not gonna last forever. That dark place you're in is going to mold you and make you stronger and into the person you were meant to be. So number 5, guys, is to just keep on remembering that where you're at isn't where you're gonna be. So things will get better, just put in the time and effort. So I'm gonna put a little refresher right here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. So appreciate you guys checking it out. Thank you so much. Hopefully these tips helped you out, and I will catch you in the next one. Signing off.